Heavy rains in Batumi have flooded downtown streets. Local residents shared footage on social media. Heavy rains have caused problems in several areas of the seaside city. Roads are impassable, cars are stuck in water, and several streets in Batumi are flooded due to the heavy rains. The situation is particularly difficult in the Chaoba neighborhood, at the intersection of Besiki and May 26 streets.
Grünrede.
Titanics.
Titanics.
Water has also entered the yards and basements of residential buildings. The heavy rains have disrupted traffic, and residents are asking for help from local authorities. Following heavy summer rains, streets and homes in Batumi, one of Georgia's busiest resort cities, are flooded. The sewage system is once again unable to handle the water.
ავტობუსი მოდიოდა რა და ტალღები ხო აქ სიარულის ამ პორშეს გოლი რა ყარაულოს თავის მანქანას ტალღები რო არ მოხდეს ბევრი და
Batumi City Hall released information about the damage suffered by the city and its residents from the heavy rains a few hours later. They said the cleaning of drainage and water channels is underway. Several streets, courtyards, basements, and first floors of residential buildings were flooded. There were delays in the movement of city buses, the city hall said. They said electricity was also cut off in several parts of the city, which was gradually restored. By 12 p.m., 70 customers remained without power. In addition, drinking water supplies were cut off in several neighborhoods, including Benz, Bartskana, Orta Batumi, Gorodok, and Kanspli, as well as on Pagava and Makatsaria streets. According to the Batumi City Hall, pumping work has begun on flooded streets using specialized equipment. They said traffic in the city has been fully restored. The problems arose in Batumi due to heavy rains. Drainage and water channels are being actively cleaned. Several streets, courtyards, basements, and first floors of residential buildings were flooded. Pumping work has begun using specialized equipment from Batumi Water and the Ajara Water Alliance.